Hi. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use conditions in playbooks. Conditions are rules that you put on top of outputs from your metric database log queries, and the condition decide what will be the next step that is going to be executed. I have created a sample playbook with the first step having three different types of tasks in it. One is a Cloudwatch metric, which will result in a time series data set as an output. The other one is a Postgres database query, which is going to return a table. And this is a bash command, which is going to return a terminal output. So you can see in these conditions, this is a condition on top of the bash output, which gives options for grep checks against the terminal output. Here I've added a string which has to be checked whether it is available in the terminal output or not. Similarly, another condition that I have created is on top of the CloudWatch metric, which basically checks for that particular metric's rolling value over a 30-minute window to be greater than 6. Here I have created a condition for the Postgres database result for its row count to be less than 20. You could have chosen a column value based condition as well, where you can enter the column name and you can choose any of the values of that column in any of the rows is greater less than 20 or not. Now, I'm going to execute this playbook and we are going to see how the result of the conditions on these tasks gives you the path which needs to be followed. Here you can see these two conditions failed to meet the final output that we were looking for. Hence, they are marked as red. This condition for the CloudWatch metric has been marked as true, and hence this step is what is being recommended next. You can also configure a time-based condition on top of these task-based outputs, which basically tells you this is the time interval of the day at which I want this condition to be marked as true, which means that while these conditions are being evaluated, there's an additional parameter of the time of the day which will help you decide the final output of the condition. For example, if I choose the time to be every day between 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and 3 a.m., so this basically means every day between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. for every minute, this playbook, when executed, will return as true. So if but this particular condition is true, but this condition is false, then the output will be false. Thank you.